Last time on Cowabunga Pencil Time I did a couple of videos about these knurled grips that I was 3D printing to replace the rubber grips that I don't like on pens like the Bic Velocity or the Zebra Z grip. There were a couple of more pencils that I really like that I would not have used because they have rubber grips and I think they're gross, but I decided to revisit after my initial knurling successes. I 3D printed a finer knurled grip for the GraphGear 1000. I had taken out this rubber sock a long time ago from this shell and I had used it like this, and really it didn't need a 3D printed grip, but I made one. It's solid. I think it's slightly better, but kind of a wash whether it's better than this thing without the rubber grip. Anyway, I put those files up on GitHub so you can go check them out and print them out and see if you like them. The next one that I did was the Pentel Twist Erase 3. It is a cult classic that the internet always loves, but it comes with this squishy, sticky, greasy rubber grip, and I knew that no matter how nice this pencil was, I was never going to use it because of this grip. But again, I had some successes with 3D printed knurling, and so I printed out a new grip section for this, and all of these, you know, the tips just come off here and they slide off. I made them kind of tight. You might need a needle file to clean them out, but yeah, they work really nicely. And then the last pencil that I did was the Pilot G2 mechanical pencil. This is an okay pencil. It's almost identical to the Pilot Color Eno, which both have this rubber grip. I think the Eno is clear and the G2 is this black rubber. I really don't like these and had written these pencils off, but I decided to check them out again and make them some knurled grips. Yeah, and I rather like them. Okay, I hope you like them too. The links to all the files are in the description, and I'll put a link to the slicing and printing instructions for some of my other stuff. This uses all of the same slicer rules and they're printed the same way. Okay, I hope you love them. I love you. Goodbye.